Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are in good health and is ready to learn. We are moving on to our fifth lecture in the history chapter. So, the chapter that we are learning is historiography, development in the West. Last week, we left with this quote: I think, therefore I am. This was a quote given by, can you think of the answer? Who was the person that we were discussing about last week? Yes, it was Rene Descartes, right? This was a famous quote given by Rene Descartes. For him, what it meant by this quote was mainly everything that he understands about the world is depending on how he thinks about it, and he he exists in history because he is thinking about it. This is a very deep philosophical quote that is still discussed by philosophical people and historians even now. So, today, let's move on to the new topic. Who is the founder of modern historiography? So, the obvious answer that you would give me now is yes. What would be the obvious answer that you would give me? Rene Descartes, right? Because that is what I've told you last time, how Rene Descartes has kind of started the modern historiography and how he brought in the idea about scientific historiography where rationality and logic is used, where scientific explanations are given for history. But no, he is not the founder of modern historiography. It is His name is Voltaire. This is the person Voltaire. He is known as the founder of historiography. Now let's read certain facts regarding Voltaire. Okay. So his original name is Francois Mary Arouet. What is his original name? Let's read it very slowly. Francois Mary Arouet. Okay. He is of French origin. What was the origin of what was the country of which was the country that Rene Descartes lived in? It was also French, right? Do you remember that image that I showed about of his book? It was written in French. Similarly, Voltaire is of French origin. So, what made him the father of modern historiography? What is this? What is his difference compared to our Rene Descartes? So, he opined that along with objective truth and chronology of historical events, considering social traditions, trade, economy, agriculture, etc., was equally important in historiography. Let's read this one more time slowly. He opined that along with objective truth and chronology of historical events, considering social traditions, trade, economy, agriculture, etc., was also equally important in historiography. तो ट्रूथ और जो भी है सच में क्या हुआ है एंड chronology of historical events means whatever happened in a specific order, उसके अलावा वो टाइम का सोशल ट्रेडिशंस, वो टाइम का इकोनॉमी कैसा था, वो टाइम का एग्रीकल्चर कैसा था, वो सब देखना भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. सपोज वी आर राइटिंग द हिस्ट्री अबाउट इंडिया फ्रॉम 1900s टू 19 to 2000. उस टाइम क्या क्या हुआ है वो लिखना है. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट उस टाइम में इंडिया में क्या किस किस तरफ के एग्रीकल्चर चलता था, किस किस तरफ से ट्रेड चलता था, व्हाट वाज द इकोनॉमी लाइक, All of these also is important in telling the history. Otherwise, we will never be able to. We don't know in how do we know that in 1900s was it capitalism or socialism? हम कैसे पता चलेगा? वो इकोनॉमी है ना, तो वो भी पता चलना important है to write an history. So what does this mean? Descartes argues that we need to look at logically and scientifically. Correct है ना? Descartes ये बोला था. Voltaire took it one step ahead. He maintained that along with logic, all aspects of human life needs to be taken into consideration while writing history. So what was his logic? His idea? Logic तो चाहिए. Along with that, all aspects of human life are सभी aspects, including how does a what is the economy that he lives in, what is the trade that a human does. All of that needs to be taken into consideration as you are writing history. So this is why Voltaire is considered as the founder of modern historiography and not Rene Descartes. I hope this distinction is clear for you. I'm going to I'll try to send a set of worksheet for a set of simple questions along with this chapter, for what we learned today. I think by that you will be clearly able to recollect the facts that we learned today. Make sure that you make the notes of this by pausing the video and writing it down. Okay. By this, I'm just going to leave you with this thought. We'll catch up on the next lecture. Be safe, stay at home, and please do study. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.